Hi everyone, it's Mark here at MAS Audio. I'm just working on a Lexus IS200. We're just changing the stereo system. As you can see, there's a nice big hole here where it used to have a stereo, and I'll just grab the new one that's going in. So this is what we're fitting in. So a doubled in stereo with DAB radio and Bluetooth. Now I get a few people ask me for the wiring harness, because they take the old radio out and then they're greeted with this cable, and they want an adapter wire for this cable. But the trick is, it's not actually wired behind there. What you have to do is run this extension cable through to behind the glove box where this unit is. This is the audio amplifier and power supply, and you actually connect the loom to that. There's a plug in the back of this, so you have to plug into there, then run your cable along into here with your two ISO connectors and then your stereo connector. Actual cable that came out of the back of the old radio is redundant, it's obsolete, you don't use it. So just a quick tip there for any of you who've tried to get a stereo and put one in one of the IS200s and you can't figure out the wiring. It's because it's behind here, not behind the stereo. So we're going to get this all tidied up and hide all these cables and get this install finished off. Just wanted to leave that tip out there for you guys, and hopefully you can get some help from that. Thanks for watching everyone. We'll see you in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Okay, so when you're finished, this is what your stereo system should look like in the Lexus. Got the facial trim, also we've got our volume control. I won't play it loud in case of copyright. We've got a DAB radio here, and on that window up there you can see the DAB aerial, and up the top here we've got the microphone. Not sure what that thing is, it was already here. So another tip as well with the DAB aerials, don't put them all the way at the top. You want at least a 15cm gap from the top to the top of the windscreen to the top of the antenna piece there. You want to make sure you don't put it right at the top or right at the bottom. That's the ideal location for that to be. So yeah, just a couple of tips there on a Lexus IS200 and how to connect it up, and a good place to put your DAB aerial and microphone as well. And then when you're finished, you shouldn't be able to see any of the wires. All you should see is the back of the glove box. That's it for that one. So if you've got any questions, just drop me a message, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.